In this video, I'll guide you through how to cancel your Google Cloud subscription. Whether you're looking to cut down on expenses or simply need to close an account you no longer use, canceling your Google Cloud subscription is a straightforward process that can be done in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the Google Cloud console. Once you're logged in, look for the billing section. This is where you manage all of your financial transactions and subscriptions related to Google Cloud. If you're not sure where to find it, it's usually located on the left-hand side of the interface. Clicking on billing will take you to a page that lists all of your active subscriptions and billing details. This area is crucial because it provides a comprehensive overview of your active services and any associated costs. Next, you'll want to select the active subscription you wish to cancel. On the billing page, you should see a list of all the services you're currently subscribed to. Make sure to select the correct one that you intend to cancel. It's a good idea to double check this step to ensure you're not accidentally canceling something you still need. Once you've selected the right subscription, look for the option that says Cancel Subscription. This is typically a button or link that will lead you to the cancellation process. It might be tempting to rush through this part, but take a moment to read any prompts or warnings that pop up. Sometimes Google Cloud provides information about what will happen when you cancel, such as data retention policies or potential fees. After clicking Cancel Subscription, you'll be prompted to confirm your choice. This confirmation step is essential as it ensures that your decision to cancel is intentional and gives you one last chance to back out if you've changed your mind. Be sure to review any final details or implications of canceling. If everything looks good, go ahead and confirm the cancellation. And there you have it. Your Google Cloud subscription has been successfully canceled. It is as simple as following these steps: opening billing, selecting your active subscription, clicking Cancel Subscription, and confirming your choice. Remember, if you ever need to reactivate or start a new subscription, Google Cloud makes it easy to pick up right where you left off. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Always check your email for any confirmation messages from Google Cloud. They often send a summary of your cancellation, which can be useful for your records. Also, if you have any ongoing projects or data stored in Google Cloud, make sure to back them up or transfer them before canceling, as access might be restricted after cancellation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process of canceling your Google Cloud subscription clear and easy to follow. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a great day.